In just the past few months, OpenAI has released more updates than some companies do in a decade. And if you're not living and breathing AI every day, it can feel like trying to drink from a fire hose. It's even been hard for me to keep up. And this is what I do. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's clear something up. You're not behind. AI is changing at such a rapid pace that it can feel like you're too far behind to catch up. But that's not the case, and I'm gonna prove it to you today in this video. I'll break down the biggest AI developments from ChatGPT so simply that even your dog can understand it. Well, maybe not your dog, but definitely your non-tech savvy friend. Let's go.
OpenAI unveiling voice engine. Lord on OpenAI. Never a dull moment with OpenAI.
OpenAI just unveiled a new tool.
Imagine paying $200 a month for an AI that's so smart, it could help you ace math, code like a pro, and even conduct PhD level research faster than you can say ChatGPT Pro. Sounds wild, right? That's just one of the game-changing updates we're diving into today. But there's more, a lot more. Like an AI that turns text into videos. Here's what we'll cover: the biggest releases, why they matter, and how you can actually use them without feeling overwhelmed. I'm gonna go through them in order of least exciting to most exciting to keep things interesting. Although I definitely think all of the updates are super exciting. First up, December's 12 Days of OpenAI. This was a 12-day event right before the holidays where OpenAI released a new ChatGPT product or update every single day. Here's a recap. ChatGPT o1. ChatGPT's first reasoning model, named o1, made its debut in December 2024. The company has since launched its o3 model. This is important because it's an AI with a brain that's optimized for things like deep thinking, solving complex math puzzles, and writing code. But how is that different from ChatGPT 4o? Essentially, o1 is like a specialist, while GPT 4o is more of a versatile generalist, capable of broader everyday tasks. If your question involves multi-step thinking, it's better suited for a reasoning model like o1. For example, a question like, I'm planning my daughter's birthday party for 12 kids. I have 3 large pizzas, each with 8 slices. If each child eats 2 slices, will I have enough? If not, how many more pizzas should I order? Whereas if your question is something like, I'm planning my daughter's birthday party for 12 kids. Can you suggest a fun party theme? Creative activities to keep them entertained, and a simple schedule to keep things organized? For that question, you'll want to use a GPT model. GPT 4o is a better choice because the task involves creative thinking and idea generation versus deep reasoning. You also get faster response time from GPT AI models, making them better for everyday purposes. OpenAI, which is the company behind ChatGPT, now has an assortment of AI models, and it can get confusing. To simplify, these flagship models can be broken into 2 categories: GPT models and reasoning models. Let me know in the comments if you want me to create a video on the best ChatGPT AI models by use case. I haven't seen anything like that, so let me know. Another much anticipated launch was the Sora AI video generator. Ever wanted to turn your text into videos? Now you can. Describe a scene and boom, Sora brings it to life. Like magic, but with algorithms. Plus subscribers can use Sora, but to unlock its full features, you'll need a pro plan. In my opinion, Sora is a decent text-to-video generator, but it really shines with video to video. Still, unless you're making multiple videos a day, it's probably not worth the $200 a month price tag. Next up, Canvas and projects. Okay, I've combined 2 new features here for brevity. Think Google Docs meets AI. Canvas basically turns ChatGPT into an interactive Word document. Ask ChatGPT to write the first draft of a script for you and activate Canvas mode by selecting the 3 dots below the prompt box. ChatGPT will then open its response in the Canvas window. From here, you can quickly adjust the length, reading level, or formatting of the text, and even add emojis. This is a great feature for content creators, and unlike many of ChatGPT's other announcements, Canvas and projects are available within the $20 a month tier. Projects, on the other hand, lets you easily organize your searches into folders and collaborate with others, similar to Claude's projects. Now here's something really exciting: ChatGPT's new real-time video capability. You can access this within advanced voice mode. Imagine having a video call, but instead of talking to a person, you're chatting with an AI that can respond to your questions, help you troubleshoot in real life, and even read your facial expressions to gain better situational awareness. So wild. This feature allows ChatGPT to analyze visual information in real time, making it perfect for virtual tutoring, live presentations, or even tech support. For example, if you're stuck assembling furniture, you can open the video option in ChatGPT Advanced Voice Mode. Then, point your camera at the pieces of furniture, and ChatGPT will guide you step by step. Super cool. Quick tip before we get to the good stuff. If you're overwhelmed by AI updates, focus on one tool that solves your biggest problem. Master it and then move on. It's like learning to ride a bike before trying a unicycle. Oh, and I'm Tam, in case we haven't met yet. I help beginners succeed with AI. If you're finding this helpful, give it a thumbs up. It helps me know what to create for you next. In January, as we kicked off 2025, AI went official. ChatGPT Gov launched last month. ChatGPT Gov is a special version of ChatGPT made just for the government. It keeps information safe and follows strict rules so that agencies can use AI for tasks like writing policies and organizing documents. While this doesn't directly impact everyday users like you and me, advancements in AI security will likely influence future versions of ChatGPT, so it's worth mentioning. Another major 2025 release was the launch of ChatGPT Operator. It's an AI tool that OpenAI describes as an agent that can go to the web to perform tasks for you. ChatGPT Operator runs on a smart AI helper called Computer Using Agent, or this AI can see and understand what's on a computer screen just like a person. It clicks buttons, types in boxes, and moves through menus to do tasks for you without needing any special programs or extra tools. Here's the catch. You need to be a pro subscriber paying $200 a month to use Operator. But honestly, this agent isn't quite there yet in terms of useful time saving. So for now, I'm just looking forward to the evolution. The final ChatGPT update that I'm most excited about is Deep Research, which OpenAI quietly rolled out last week. Deep Research is an AI tool that helps users dig deeper into complex topics. OpenAI refers to Deep Research as an AI agent similar to its operator agent. An agent is just an AI or model that can take actions on your behalf. That's an oversimplification, but also the most useful way to categorize agentic AI at this point. GPT's Deep Research, then, is an agent that looks at lots of information online and figures out answers to big questions. It can read, think deeply on what it's read, and put together ideas to help with research, like writing reports, looking up important facts, or comparing hundreds of products to find the right one for your needs. Unlike standard ChatGPT, Deep Research is optimized for long-form analysis, academic studies, and data-intensive tasks. It can scan and summarize multiple sources, making it a game changer for students, researchers, and professionals who need deep, in-depth research super quickly. This AI agent can take anywhere from 5 to 30 minutes to complete its work, so it takes some time. In the meantime, you can step away to work on other tasks. ChatGPT will then notify you once the research is complete. The final output will arrive on your desktop as a report within the chat. Like so many of the new features we've discussed today, Deep Research is currently available for pro users at the $200 price point. But it's said to roll out to Plus subscribers at $20 a month in the months ahead. I can confidently say that after experimenting with this for only a few hours, it's the feature I'm most excited about going forward. So to recap, first of all, congratulations. You're no longer being left behind. If you're a current ChatGPT Pro subscriber, you now have access to cutting-edge models like Sora, O1, O3 reasoning models, and OpenAI's agentic AI. Think ChatGPT Operator and Deep Research. Plus subscribers, on the other hand, will soon have limited access to those features and currently have new capabilities such as real-time vision within ChatGPT's Advanced Voice Mode, Canvas, Projects, and Sora. Here's my actionable takeaway for you, because I genuinely have one goal, and it's to help you learn AI faster. Pick one of these updates that really excites you and explore it today. If you don't have access to the feature yet, watch some YouTube videos about it from smart creators. Igor, for example, from AI Advantage, does a great job of covering use cases for AI tools like ChatGPT. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you got even one useful thing from this video. It helps me help you.